inking pen. When ink in the bottles have gone down, what is the way for that, right? अब इंक जो है when you want to ink your pen, इतना टाइट. अभी now ink in the pen pot is too less. When I fill, I cannot fill it. So then we have developed a jugaad for that, right? And jugaad is this ink filler. It has this nib holder, nib guard. So when you put this into this, it will guard the nib, so it will not damage you. So it will go here, and then you can pour your ink here. ये now इतनी सी ink रह गई है, and inks are very expensive nowadays. Ink is very expensive, so now you can easily, comfortably you see, you can fill your pen very comfortably, which otherwise would have been very difficult, rather impossible, and I would have to throw that ink, because you cannot think of throwing. It's very expensive. 1000 रुपए की bottle आ रही. This is okay. Now coming to, if you want to keep it, you can cap it and keep it like this also. All right. But if you still wish that, if you want to put it into eyedropper, you can put into eyedropper pens also, because these pens need an eyedropper. So if you want, you can put it in the you see, that way you have fully utilized your ink. It will take some time by the gravity to come down the ink, and the leftover ink, if any, you see, I think half a pen, one Lamy pen can be filled with this. So this is how, this way you can use the last drop of your ink pot. All right, good, thank you.